TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. I'm trying to incorporate some different types of job leads into this channel. I know some of you have expressed in the comments that you're getting tired of the data entry and healthcare positions, so I am trying to mix it up with a little bit of customer service, even though this is still kind of in the healthcare field. But we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Just note the links to put applications into anything I share is always in the YouTube description box below. And feel free to comment down below and let me know anything specific that you're looking for, even if I'm not responding. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind. Today's job lead is coming from the company Ness. Now, Ness is hiring a customer support agent for their credit cards, but Ness is a company that's trying to build a world where everyone can afford to be healthy, and so they are really trying to make healthcare more affordable with their financial products. Now, one thing to note before we get into all the details, this is a startup company, but they are paying very well for a startup company. They're paying anywhere from $55,000 to $65,000 a year. Of course, that is dependent on experience. But they are looking for people to communicate directly with customers on a daily basis through text messaging, phone support, and other non-traditional methods like personalized videos and handwritten cards. So it says you'll spend 30 to 35 hours a week in the weekly queue, providing fast, accurate, and personalized responses to customer inquiries through phone and text-based support. You'll continuously help improve Ness by recommending process improvements, task guides, working on cross-functional products, all the things. You'll help to solve customer issues by developing expertise in their internal processes, and you'll nurture those relationships with the customer. Now, it does say if you don't meet 100% of the below qualifications, still consider applying and get those applications in. They want to see those applications from everyone, but they are specifically looking for someone who has 2 years experience in customer service, customer-facing roles, whether it be phone, video, email, or live chat. They do say if you have experience with Zendesk, you get bonus points for that. They are looking for someone who has 1 year experience working with some kind of financial services, ideally with credit cards. They do staff their support team 24/7, but they are looking for someone who can work in the Eastern time zone, specifically hours from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. is when they're looking for, and then you'll have a designated shift within those hours. So you need to be flexible with the hours that you can work. They're looking for someone who can be a problem solver, be empathetic, and notice when something is wrong. Now, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, they do have their entire interview and hiring process detailed out if you want to read through that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.